In just a matter of hours, jury members in the Lori Vallow case will begin a new day of deliberations. Yesterday, the prosecution and the defense rested their case in the trial that has received a lot of national attention. A 12-person jury is now deciding whether Lori Vallow is guilty or not guilty of murder. At this point, we don't know how long it will take them to reach a verdict in this case. Vallow is the Eastern Idaho mom charged with murder of 2 of her children and her husband's late wife. The defense and prosecution finished their closing arguments yesterday, and now the jury is deliberating. The prosecution called about 60 witnesses during the 5-week-long testimony, and the defense blamed Vallow's husband, Chad Daybell. The grandfather of one of the kids, J.J. Vallow, talked to reporters before the jury deliberations.
I think it's going to be a great day. I really do. And hopefully we have a fair, righteous verdict. This is swift. And Lori gets loaded in a van and taken to Pocatello, where she belongs for the rest of her life.
We talked to a trial lawyer to learn more about how the jurors are feeling at this moment. He said they might be emotionally exhausted from a weeks-long trial filled with disturbing testimony, but he also said they're probably feeling a sense of responsibility to make the right decision here.
There's a lot of evidence to go through and a lot of instructions for the jury to deliberate on. So the quicker the jury comes back, signals one of two things: that they've made up their mind going into deliberation because the evidence was coming in and it was so overwhelming. Or 2, they're not doing their job.
Up to this point, cameras have not been allowed in the courtroom during the trial, but a judge will allow the verdict to be live streamed. We'll, of course, be watching this case closely all morning long and bring you any updates as soon as we have them.